Hello, Kylie.
Hi.
You need to stop it, Morty. Bam, bam, bam. Morty, you need to stop. You can do that. You know, you're not supposed to do that. Now, don't be sad. Go in your room and be good. Darn it. You guys, oh, God, you got raped. You got raped. She just blew a... Kylie, I can't see him. Yeah. And I took it for a little bit. You shouldn't have done that.
Be good.
I killed her. But... You don't beat him up. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, boy, get in your room now. Get out your room. And you beat him up. God, beat him up. Beat him up like... ouch, ouch. Stop it, Morty. Yeah.